Mmm. Yum. Is it good, Savannah? Savannah, is it good?
Huh?
Is it good? Thank you. Mmm. It's good. I don't even care. I'm recording. Savannah, is this your book?
Are you hitting people with pillows?
Savannah. Savannah, look. Cindy, say hi. She's trying to play pillow fight with my camera. Oh, your mommy just got you. She's like, you shouldn't hit. No, mommy, no. Say no, mommy. Eee! Oh! Savannah's killing me.
Yeah?
Yeah? Savannah, can you say my name? Can you say Rose? Okay, now she's so mind. Savannah, can you say Rose? Savannah, can you say Rose?
Rose.
Rose. Yeah, now she's gonna hit me with the pillow again. Woo!
Ignorance is bliss.
Are you sleeping, Savannah?
Huh?
Are you sleeping?
Can I see your buns?
Go to sleep.
Was as happy as the day could be.
Go to sleep, Savannah.
And those spring days rolled into summer days. Days filled with endless conversation between the two unlikeliest of
No,
friends.
she just wants to open her bag because she knows that you hate this.
I know. She knows how much I hate it when she went through my bag before.
That would be a springy pig.
Go lay down and go to sleep now.
Savannah, do not open my bag.
Go get in the bed and go night night.
Why is she wanting to sleep on that?
What on earth are you doing?
Go get in the bed.
Go get in your bed.
Savannah, go get in the bed. Pray. 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 Jesus.
Pray. No cheese. Pray. Pray. Start. Say prayer.
Pray, Savannah. She already did. Pray. Alright, it's time to go night night.